watching. Where the hell's the mark? There's the mark. So I'm not scribing a line. I'm just using a marker here just to get a rough idea. It doesn't be perfect. I don't care if this is perfect or not. It's just, it is what it is. It's a little project to get this thing working. I'm going to round out the edges a little. And maybe I'll just, I don't know. I have a spot welder. So I was thinking maybe I'll spot weld. I'll try to bend some of the metal there and do some, I don't know. I really don't know. We'll figure this out. But I'm going to make this little top piece. Come on. Come on. Caught on the hammers. Caught on the hammers. So now we have the slits in there. That's the slit in there. And basically, that's what I'm going to put on there. Cut the edges round so I don't kill myself. And I'll try to figure out where to bolt this on there. There's a screw in there. I could use that. I could also make a, on here, make a longer piece. But I'm thinking, if I take this and cut it down, I could replicate this piece, because it's same width. It's a little longer, and I could probably cut it down to, how long is it? How long is that? Try to get a, probably get a smaller one like this though, because I mean, you know what? Maybe a little beef isn't that bad. Gives me something to work with. Well, let me measure this thing. This is how long? We'll try this out. 5 1/4. So 5 1/4. 5 1/4. Let's see this. 5 1/4. 5 1/4 there. 5 1/4 there. And 5 1/4. Right there. Need a freaking line here. Gotta draw a line on here now. Gotta draw a line on there. Hope you're not getting bored yet, because sometimes I get bored doing this shit. Better just, sorry, sometimes go and buy this shit. It's easier. Alright, let's try this out now. Oh yeah, there's no button. It's in danger mode. Danger mode. Well, folks, check this out. That's a pretty nice cut, considering. I mean, look at this shit. That's some pretty decent cut. I'll admit it's not fast, but if you're working at night and you don't want sparks flying everywhere and all your building to burn down, it's pretty damn good. It's a cheap saw. It was $100, and you know what? I got screwed in the first one. They gave me a free one, and I ordered another one. One I want to use portable, and this one I want to bench top it. But instead of spending $300 for doing a couple of cuts every now and then, why bother? So next I'm going to cut this off here. Cut this down here, and I'll make a new little piece here. Did I cut it? Did I measure it wrong? Yeah, son of a bullets. It's foreign. Yeah, I measured twice and cut once. Yeah. Anyway, that's all I'm doing for tonight. So it's getting chilly in here. Thanks for watching. Toodles.